It's immense in pleasure, yet small in size, when it comes to the extreme sensations of the Whisper Micro Bullet from California Exotic Novelties. This Whisper Micro Bullet is petite, 1 1/4 by 1/4 inch, and super slim, with a self-heating, powerful vibrating bullet. Made with soft rubber coat and weighing only 8 ounces, this waterproof micro bullet with Whisper quiet motor can pleasure you from top to bottom. To begin exploring your Whisper micro bullet, slide open the battery compartment of the silky smooth remote control power pack and insert 2 new AA batteries, making sure to follow the plus and minus directions, and then replace the cover securely. You will find a 2-speed push-button control at your fingertips. Perfect for stimulating the clitoris, nipples, or anywhere you like for warm and powerful sensations. The Whisper Micro Bullet features a plug-in jack power pack that delivers incredibly powerful vibrations. Simply plug it into the power pack and explore unlimited excitement. For maximum pleasure, always use a water-based lubricant or California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Lube. Before and after each use, clean your Whisper Micro Bullet with mild soap and warm water, or use our preferred California Exotic Novelties brand toy cleaner. Remember to remove the batteries when not in use to preserve their life and prevent any corrosion inside the unit. Satisfy your every desire with the tiny yet extremely powerful vibrations and gentle heat of the Whisper Micro Bullet, available in pink and purple, only from California Exotic Novelties.